Assalamualaikum, halo semuanya dimanapun Anda berada, semoga sehat selalu dan bahagia. Di luar cerah sekali pemirsa, udaranya panas ya, karena udah musim panas. Ini juga saya udah panas-panasan. Nah, panas-panasan begini pemirsa enak banget kalau bikin sesuatu yang segar, yang pasti ya dari buah-buahan. Saya belum pernah eksekusi asinan sayur dan buah-buahan. Kira-kira ini cocok banget untuk acara icip-icip internasional, karena ini panas banget pemirsa, panas-panasnya di Inggris. Orang-orang pada keluaran, halo Dallas, halo. Nah, ini ada angin-angin juga, enak banget. Oke, kalau gitu kita eksekusi dulu pemirsa.
Amazing. It looks like colourful coleslaw soup or something like that. I don't think I can open it. Oh, there we go. Wow. Wow, that looks amazing. This looks very.
Wow.
Smell. Mmm. Smells nice.
Little bits of chilli inside as well.
Yes.
Fantastic.
So you can.
Can I get a bigger spoon?
Yes,
I'm just going to have a small, but I'm going to use a small spoon. So we've got,
you guess.
I'm guessing.
Yes, you guess.
Pineapple, apple, carrot, chili.
Yes.
This might actually be one of your spoons anyway.
Yes, I use some.
You'll have to go and have a look around the kitchen and see what stuff we've got of yours.
Does it have cucumber?
Yes.
And what's the
Carrot, apple, is it white cabbage?
Yes.
Oh, good spot.
With the sauce, it's nice.
What's the sauce made?
Yes, the sauce.
Fruit juice?
Try first. Is it sauce is come from the fruit?
Ooh. Oh, it's like salty, sweet chili. It's not like it's like a sweet coleslaw. Oh, it's got quite a kick. It's quite chilly. It's really spicy. Okay.
We call asinan sayur dan buah or pickle, vegetable and fruits.
A bit like a winter salad.
Oh, that is for summer salad.
But I know that I'm like having like cabbage in and stuff like that.
Yes.
It's lovely though.
And lemon. With the lemon. And bean sprout. Do you see bean sprout?
It's very refreshing.
This is good.
Again, very suitable for summer weather.
That's right, yes. When the hot weather.
This is not something very often.
It's going to be
This is good.
hot and humid at the weekend. 30 degrees and thundery.
I think because it's slightly salty, it's quite Moorish as well. Peanut sauce is Moorish and wants you to have more and more. This is like that, it's lovely.
It's an amazing combination of salty and sweet.
What's the sugary kind of flavour to it?
Put brown sugar with the lemon.
Wow.
This one like a sweet sour. Rest for 5 hours, but even better overnight. So the vegetable and fruit we will absorb.
I always think that when you've made something, if you leave it to the next day, it tastes even better then. Because the flavours just develop more inside the food.
Yes, that's right, yes.
Amazing. Not like anything I've ever had before.
No.
Definitely a new one on me.
Is it?
It's really healthy too, isn't it?
Is it healthy?
I'm going to be terribly rude because it's so nice.
You're going to drink the bowl.
Oh, that's nice.
And it's just so good. And it's heavenly.
But my mouth is slightly on fire now.
Isn't it nice? It's a nice feeling.
Lovely. Well, it looks spicy.
I always know when I've had too much chilli because I cry. Like my nose runs, I cry. This is just perfect.
It's just right.
Thank
Thank you. Delicious.
Absolutely lovely.
Pickles and pudding.
Really good. You can almost have it as a starter though as well.
Yes, I was thinking, maybe Western people will be thinking for starter.
Yeah.
Anyway, in my country, we eat all the time really. We do not have starter, main course,
Just
dessert.
everything is all mixed together.
Yes. People just wake up, you want to eat this, just eat. Wake up, you breakfast with this, just fine.
Well, I suppose that's why when you go to like a big international hotel, they always separate it into sections. So they say European and the Asian section, always at breakfast time has everything. And you're thinking,
That's right.
I always think, did they just leave it out? Like they didn't take it down from tea, they just leave it down from like. But then that's what you say, that people have everything at any time.
Yes. Yes.
Fab.
Yes. When I'm in Indonesia, in the morning, I just breakfast fried rice, noodle, whatever. But soon we here, we change it. We got not used to, right?
Yeah, we're not used to it.
Yeah.
You need to have more stuff.
Or does it eat like a king at breakfast, a queen at lunch,
most at breakfast,
and a pauper at tea
Yeah.
time? I'll have to have one more bowl.
Yeah, sure. And then you
I'll
can
just-
keep it also.
I'm so full.
You put in the fridge.
Yes. There we go. I'm just gonna have a bit more. No, I've got to stop now. This has got to be the end. That's it. I can't think how many lots of the main course I had.
Fair enough.
Probably
I
10.
said of the 14. Must have the girls. There's nothing to see here.
It's all gone.
So it's got apple in it, but has it got cucumber in it as well?
Yes. Apple, cucumber, pineapple, and then what else? Carrot, white cabbage, and bean sprout.
You could sell that drink just as a drink.
Yes.
I think it'd probably go down quite well in the UK because people like sweet things, but also they love chilli as well. And that's still watering that.
Room for third portion?
No. I'm gonna stop, but that is really good.
Oh, no.
It's so healthy.
That's as good as the peanut sauce as well. Awesome. Well, thank you so much.
Oh, my pleasure.
Oh. Are those apples?
Yes.
Apple and carrot. Is that pineapple as well?
Yes.
Okay. Do we have some chili in there?
Yes.
Chili.
Oh, wow. And then what else?
What, cabbage?
Yes.
Ooh. Tell us what.
The sauce one is lovely.
Oh, you just got pour it.
I love that. Yeah, the sauce one is lovely.
Okay.
Yes, refreshing. Yeah.
Did we get everything right? And
Yes.
let's try. Taste test. Oh yeah, that's nice. Yeah, that's refreshing.
That's right.
That's nice.
It seems like
All the flavors
Yeah.
complement themselves.
Yeah.
So
There's
you never expect like
no, there's like a sweet and sour type of.
What you expected?
you never would have expected them to go together so well.
Yeah, but they'll go together,
really
especially
nice.
with the spice. So it's sweet and it's well, not sweet and sour. It's a sweet chili.
Was it
That's
sweet chili?
what
Yes, with
Sweet
chili.
chili, yeah. I didn't say sweet chili, sweet and sour.
I was expecting chili. Like really chili.
No, I was expecting kind of sour.
I was
A
expecting
little bit. But I don't know. This is quite refreshing actually.
Yeah,
This
this is really nice.
This is really nice. It's sweet, but there's a kick to
There's
it.
a little kick.
There's a
I
nice
like
kick,
that little
yeah.
kick. Yeah.
It's good for summer. That is, yes, the summer snack.
Absolutely great for summer.
It's really good.
And healthy.
Yeah. Healthy indeed. What do you think? Salty, sweet chili. It's amazing. Isn't it?
Yeah, it's really good.
Really good. What did you think of it, Kevin?
I loved it.
Yeah.
I think because it kind of like does that thing where it kind of gives you all the things that you would want.
Yeah.
Like salty, sweet,
Yeah.
veg,
It's really
fruit.
refreshing.
Thank you, Hannah.
Winter salad or something like that.
Yeah.
Or you can have it as a starter as well.
Yeah. That would
To a
be
restaurant having that starter and then it's so fresh and light. And you just get your taste buds going.
Absolutely.
But you saying that everything there is just served up in one go. So you just put everything all out and you just have whatever you want whenever you want.
And that's normal. That's
That's
just
normal.
everyday stuff.
Yeah, so you don't do courses or starters and mains or desserts.
Wow, I love it.
Yeah? Lovely.
Oh wow,
beautiful.
perfectly clipped.
Okay, let's
Love it. Love it.
Are these yours?
Yes,
Oh,
yes, yeah, just put there. And then,
Thank you so much.
Oh,
I'm gonna
my
have to run as well because I'm not patient.
I feel like I haven't seen you all day, so it's good to see you.
I know.
That's lovely.
This is yours as well?
Yes, yes.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
Oh,
You're
my
so
pleasure.
good.
Look, you can keep it that one.
Take that one home and then.
Yes.
Lovely. I'll get Hannah to give you a ring when it bring it all back.
Yes.
Oh, we can clip the top of it?
Yes, when I coming back again, you can.
I only had seconds of this because I was really full. Because I had about tenths of that.
That's okay.
10 lots of that, so I didn't have a room for this, but this was lovely.
Nice.
I think that's one of the best desserts yet.
Yes, that's right. Yes. Especially in summer like this.
Yeah, yeah.
the weather
Absolutely.
like
Yeah,
this.
you need something to just cool you down.
That's right. Just put in the fridge. It's nice when it's cool. Alright.
That was awesome, thank you so much.
Oh, my pleasure. And don't forget subscribe, comment, and thumb. See you next time. Bye.